just, there's no other way to say it except for it feels like coming home, and it really is home, and it always feels the same, and I'm just so excited and very proud that my friends here. I love that the whole team is here, and I love that we're showcasing this film for the first time, so very special, very exciting, and yeah, can't wait for you all to see it. It was nerve-wracking, I'll tell you that much, because I think that the skin of the character is very deep. It deals with the skin, but it also basically is, beauty is in skin deep. The color of your skin doesn't mean anything. And I just feel that it's such a lovely, sweet movie. It's not one of those movies that has a message and is heavy. It's a lovely, happy, sweet film about family and about the actual values that are important in life. And I'm really glad that Bali had faith in me to do this, because my first question was, I think I can pull this off. And I'm honestly I feel really special. Lara, big thank you to you for having that faith in me as well to pull this off. So it's one of my most special films.
Hello Goa. Hello. First of all, I'm very glad to be at IFFI. It's our country's biggest festival and it's going places around the world. It's my first time here, so I'm very excited. I'm also very excited about sharing this film with everybody, and it's a social comedy in the right sense that we do talk about family. It's more about family, and it talks about a social issue, but you think about it when you get home. While watching the movie, you'll be thoroughly entertained, and it's a comedy, and that's the genre that I have attempted. Not for the first time on stage, I've done all of it, but the first time in a movie, and I want to thank Bali and Lada and everybody else, and the beautiful cast, and the huge other people. All other people in the movie were absolutely fantastic. So it's an entertaining movie, and it was really fun to do, and I hope we do it again.
Hi everybody here. It's a pleasure to be here. In fact, it's a very beautiful moment for me to be here sharing the stage. So, it is, as Radhi Bhai and Ileana said, it's a very sweet film. It's not a heavy film. Yes, it has a social message. But I'll say is watch the film. It is a complete entertainer. It's very special for us, and to be having a world premiere at IFFI, it's a proud moment for me. So thank you guys for having me, and thank you especially to Radhi Bhai and Ileana that there's such a good support system for everybody, not just me. And it's a pleasure to watch them perform. It was brilliant. Thank you, Radhi Bhai, for having me in the film.